Hello and welcome to Diversity of Science. Today's video is about solutions and the types of solution in detail. Now, what are solutions? Solutions are a mixture of two or more substances occurring in a single physical state. They are made up of solute, which is present in a lower quantity, and solvent, which is present in a higher quantity. Let's talk about types of solution. Solutions are classified in four ways. Number one, on the basis of water as a solvent. Number two, on the basis of the amount of solute added. Number three, on the basis of amount of solvent added. Number four, on the basis of concentration of solute present in the two solutions. Let's talk about the first category, which is on the basis of water as a solvent. They are further of two types, aqueous solutions and non-aqueous solutions. Aqueous solutions are those in which water is added as a solvent, for example, salt solution, sugar solution, etc. If we say that water is not used as a solvent, then such solutions are classified as non-aqueous solutions. The type of solvent used in such type of solutions include non-aqueous solvents. The example of non-aqueous solvents are petrol, ether, carbon tetrachloride, etc. The example of non-aqueous solutions includes sulfur in carbon disulfide or naphthalene in benzene solution, etc. The second category we have here is on the basis of amount of solute added in the solution. Now they are further classified into three types: unsaturated solution, saturated solutions, and supersaturated solutions. Unsaturated solutions are those in which there is a margin of dissolving more sugar than which is actually being dissolved. Saturated solutions, on the other hand, are those in which there is a maximum amount of solute that could be dissolved at room temperature. Now, supersaturated solutions are those in which the maximum amount of solute is already being dissolved upon heating the solution. Now, such solutions are unstable. Usually, we can see that the excess amount of solute made to dissolve in the solution is settled down at the bottom. Third category we have here is on the basis of amount of solvent added. Now there are two types under this category, which is concentrated solution and dilute solution. Concentrated solutions are those which has larger amounts of solute dissolved in a given solvent. Examples include brine solution, orange juice, and a strong tea. Whereas dilute solutions are those which have small amount of solute dissolved in a given amount of solvent, for example, light colored tea. As you can see from the picture that the dark colored tea clearly has more amount of solute dissolved in a given amount of solvent, whereas light colored tea has less amount of solute. The last category we have here is on the basis of concentration of solute present in the two solutions. For this, you need to consider that a cell is placed in a solution in a beaker. Based on the concentration of solute in two solvents, which is in the cell and in the beaker, we have following types of solutions, which is hypotonic solution, isotonic solution, and hypertonic solution. From the picture, you can see that in the isotonic solution, the concentration of solute and the solvent inside and outside is the same. Hence, the cell tends to retain its shape. While in the hypotonic solution, you can see that there is a lesser amount of solute while there is an excess amount of solvent, which is water. And this water moves inside the cell, making it swell. Looking at the hypertonic solution, on the other hand, we can see that there is an excess amount of solute and there is a very less amount of solvent, which is why the water present inside the cell tends to move outwards, which is making the cell shrink. Previously, solutions were categorized on the basis of their physical state of matter, which is solid, liquid, and gas. So let's discuss that type as well. The constituents of a solution, which is solute and solvent, can be present in any physical state, such as solids, liquids, and gases. Both solutes and the solvent can be in solid, liquid, and gaseous states. Looking at the first example, where gas acts as a solute and gas acts as a solvent, the example of this type is a mixture of gases, which is air. When gas acts as a solvent and liquid acts as a solute, the example of this type is water vapor in air. When solute is solid and gas acts as a solvent, the example of this type is dust or smoke in air. Talking about the solid phase, if gas acts as a solute, then the example of this type is hydrogen gas adsorbed over palladium, which is a solid. If liquid acts as a solute, then the example of this type is mercury in copper. If solid acts as a solute, then this type of example is homogeneous mixture of two or more metals, which is alloy. Now this was all for today from my side from Solutions. Hope you liked today's video. Keep watching, take care and happy learning.